Today we are practicing Task 6 of the CELPIP Speaking Test, Compare and Persuade. In this task, you must choose between two options and convince someone to agree with you. It's like a short debate, and it tests how well you can explain reasons clearly. You will see two choices, like take the bus or drive a car, or buy a gift card or make a handmade gift. You must quickly choose one option and give at least two strong reasons. Here is a simple structure. First, state your choice right away. Second, give your first reason with an example. Third, give your second reason with another detail. Finally, finish with a short sentence that sounds confident, like, "That's why I think this is the better choice." Let's try some examples. If the question is, your friend wants to buy a gift. Should they buy a gift card or make a handmade gift? I would say, I think buying a gift card is better. First, it's practical, because the person can buy exactly what they want. For example, if they love books, they can use the card for their favorite author. Second, it saves time, because making a handmade gift takes hours, and my friend is very busy. For these reasons, I believe a gift card is the best option. If the question is, your company is planning a team-building event. Should they go bowling or have a picnic? I would say, I would choose a picnic. First, it allows everyone to relax and talk in a natural setting, which helps build relationships. Second, a picnic is cheaper and more inclusive, because everyone can bring food to share. Bowling is fun, but it's noisy and harder to talk. That's why I think a picnic is better if the question is, your school is choosing between online classes and in-person classes. Which do you prefer? I would say, I prefer in-person classes. First, it is easier to stay focused with fewer distractions. For example, in a classroom, I listen carefully and take better notes. Second, I get more chances to ask questions and interact with classmates, which helps me learn faster. For these reasons, I believe in-person classes are better. Notice that I always start with my choice clearly, then give two reasons and examples. This keeps the answer clear and long enough. Here are some useful phrases. I would choose. The first reason is. Another reason is. That's why I believe. Polite phrases also sound natural. I think it's a better idea to. It might be a good choice because, in my opinion, two strong reasons are usually enough, but you can add a third if you have time. Aim for 50 to 60 seconds. If you need ideas, think about these categories: cost, convenience, experience, learning, and social. For example, between bowling and a picnic, cost and conversation make easy reasons for a picnic. Remember, there is no right or wrong choice. The examiner only wants to hear clear, organized English. So choose one side, give reasons, support with examples, and speak until the time ends. Practice at home by recording yourself. Pick two random things and persuade a friend. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel on test day. Task 6 is your chance to sound confident and logical. With a clear structure and a little practice, you can give strong answers and raise your CELPIP speaking score.